Hello children, today we are going to study different parts of the flower. So I have taken pomegranate flower. There is different stages of the flower. Let's start with the structure of flower, parts of flower. So this is the branch having the leaves. I will remove the leaves first, and there is a small petiole, and I will separate this. I will separate this petiole, and this is the receptacle, and above the receptacle is sepals. So the sepals are fused and these are petals, and you can see these small yellow structures, these are anthers. So let's remove the sepal part first. Sepal is fused, so I am dissecting it with a needle, and you can see now that these are petals, and inside the petals there is male part having these yellow structures, and let's remove the petals first. So inside the petal you can see these hairy structures, these are the stamen, and hair like tube like structures are these hair and tube like structures are filament, and above the filament you can see these yellow as anthers. So this is the male part. So it is having filament and anthers. So this is the male part of the flower. You can see. Okay, let's spread it on the paper and zoom it first. Now you see these are the male parts of the flower. It is having this thread like structure, this tube like structure, which is known as filament, and above the filament this brownish yellow part is the anther. Alright, this is anther. See, this is anther, and below the anther, reddish part, this red part is filament. Alright, so this is the male part of our flower. Alright, so now we have understood the male part of the flower. So now let's start with the female part. We have done these anthers and filament part, which was the stamen part and the male part of the flower. Now let's see what is the female part of the flower. Softly I will remove these stamen structures. These stamens I will remove, and you can see that small yellow powdery stuff has stuck to my fingers, and okay, so these powdery structures, powdery stuff is from the anthers. So let's start. This was the this was the male part, stamen. Okay, let's come back to the female part, which is pistil, and pistil is divided into three parts. First, above is the stigma, then this tube like structure, this is pistil, and the swollen structure is ovary. So have you understood? Ovary, then tube like structure is pistil, and the topmost part is the stigma. Let's remove the, so after dissecting the ovary, we can see there are small magical structures, small circle round structures. These are ovules. These were inside the ovary. So these are the eggs of the pomegranate flower, and which are going to become the fruit of the plant, and these small round structures are ovules. Okay, that's all children. Hope you enjoyed.